Emperor wants you dead.
Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Darth Maul from Star Wars. Don't worry if you're not perfect, this drawing is all about simple shapes and bold black areas. Let's start with the eyes. I draw a small curved line on the left side first, then I do the same shape on the right. Now I go back to the left eye and draw another curved line above it. After that, I repeat the same step on the right eye. Next, I add a small shape inside the left eye. Then I do the same inside the right one. Now let's draw the nose. I start from the left side of the nose, then I move to the right side, and finally connect everything to make the nose shape. Next comes the mouth. I draw a simple curved line for the lips. Now let's draw the face shape. First the left side, going down from the eye to the jaw, then the right side. The chin stays a little sharp, not too round. After that, I add some dark areas. I start with the left eyebrow and eye, filling it in. Then I do the right ones the same way. Next, darken the nose area. Now we start adding details on the face. First, I draw a sharp line on the left cheek, going up from the nose. Then I draw the same sharp line on the right side. After that, I go back to the center, under the mouth. I draw a long shape going down. This is the chin pattern. I start on the left side of this shape, then I continue on the right side. I slowly go over the lines, keeping them clean and smooth. Next, I start filling the dark area on the face. I begin on the left side, coloring the big shape under the cheek. Then I move to the right side and fill the same area. Draw a long curved line on the left side, then draw the same line on the right side, copying the shape. Now I go to the center of the face between the eyes. I draw a small sharp shape going down from the forehead. After that, I add the next small shape below it, and another one below that. Now I move a little higher on the forehead and draw the next center mark a bit bigger than the previous ones. After that, we draw ears, first on the left, then on the right. It's okay if you make mistakes like me here, for example. In this drawing, we can easily correct any mistakes with shadows. Next, we draw top part of the head, first on the left, then on the right sides. Next, I fill the ear and top head shapes with black, first the left one, then the right one. Repeat after me. Now we add more dark areas around the eyes and cheeks. Start on the left side, then move to the right side. This helps keep the face balanced. Then we add more shapes under the eyes. I take my time and draw slowly. After that, we go to parts above the eyes and draw some more shapes like these. I always color them in with black right away, so that we see how the drawing comes together step by step. Now we start drawing the top of the head, a simple curved line, and then I add a small triangle shape on top of the head. After that, I add the first horn on the left side. Then I draw the same horn on the right side. Now I add more small horns. First, I draw the left one, close to the center. Then I draw the right one, keeping the same size and shape. Next, I make the horns darker and stronger. Now we finish the top patterns on the head. First, I start on the left side of the forehead. I draw a long flame-like shape going down, following the headline. Then I move to the right side and draw the same shape, keeping it similar. After that, I begin to fill the dark area on the forehead. I always start on the left side, coloring slowly and carefully. Then I fill the right side, trying to keep the color even. Now I go to the center of the head. I draw a long vertical shape going down from the top horn. I draw the left edge first, then the right edge, and close the shape. Next, I fill this center shape with black. Take your time here and follow the lines like I show. Finally, I look at the whole drawing. I fix tiny details, make the black areas strong. And that's it. Our Darth Maul drawing is finished. Look how strong and sharp it looks with all those dark shapes. If you made a mistake, it's totally okay. You can fix a lot by adjusting the black areas, just like I did. Now you can leave it like this or add color if you want. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step drawings. Leave a comment and tell me who you want me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye.